Welcome to the third installment of Sight Reading Challenge. This will take us to the effective end of the first book of Standard of Excellence. After this, it'll be something different, not Standard of Excellence. So if you're excited to sight read new music, I'm going to find something that's maybe a little bit more, a little different. That being said, I take all the repeats. I play exactly one duet, but I only played the top part. So that's fine. It's sight reading anyway. There are some songs, at least one, with rests. Lots of rests. Particularly the one at the end of the book, the Musette by Bach. It's an accompaniment arrangement where there's a solo instrument, the instrument that you're playing, plus piano accompaniment. And the piano gets to play for a little while by itself. I take those rests seriously because practicing rests is equally as important as practicing notes. Because when you're in band and you have long rests, which happens all the time, you have to know when to come in and you have to play the proper amount of rest. If it's 8 measures of nothing, that's 8 measures of counting. And I do it both times because there's a repeat that takes us through this rest. So, sit there patiently and count and see if you can count as accurately as you need to. I have the metronome going so you can literally count the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, etc. All the way until 8 measures long. Other than that, the rest is pretty straightforward. It's the same as all the other sight reading challenges. Have fun with it. And that's all I have to say about that. Here we go. Number 131. Ready, set, go. Number 133. Ready, set, go. Turn the page. Number 135, the A part only. Ready, set, go. Turn the page. Number 139. Ready, set, go. and 43. Ready, set, go. Turn the page. Number 147. Ready, set, go. Number 149. Ready, set, go. Number 153. Ready, set, go. Number 155. Ready, set, go. Turn the page. New set. From the beginning. Ready, set, go. Thank you for taking time out of your busy days to practice the ever important sight reading. Everyone should do more of this, including and especially me. But if you're new to reading, then practice more reading. Music, that is. You should also read books. Books are good. I hope you had fun with this. Keep your eyes posted for the 4th installment coming soon. Have a nice day.